Video coverage of IT Expo is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.
Hi, Peter Bernstein, Senior Editor of TMCnet.com. I am here just off a very crowded show floor at IT Expo in beautiful South Beach, Florida. In the rest of the country, at least in the Northern Hemisphere as well, is ice cold, and we're having a great time. In fact, we're having such a good time. We are here to talk with Kurt, and I'm going to blow your name, but Hockendell?
Good enough.
Close enough. Who is the Corporate Product Marketing Manager for Eurotech.
That is
so correct. Welcome to warm Miami.
Well, thank you very much.
And let's talk Eurotech.
Okay, so Eurotech, we kind of focus on aspects of making M2M easy. We're a hardware manufacturer and we have a cloud-based platform. The key to, when you say M2M or Internet of Things, there's many different verticals that come across for M2M. There's transportation, logistics, energy, utilities, and with different varying products that require different varying interfaces, ruggedability, sizes. So the key focus for Eurotech has been how to make that easy to integrate this data and these applications into an M2M platform across these verticals. So we build multi-service gateways from very light industrial to very rugged. That goes on trains, very EN 5155 for Europe, train and rail. And we want to enable these to quickly be adaptable within M2M applications. So the focus for us is something we've been doing for 20 years, being in telemetry and SCADA market, is really the software piece that goes on these devices. So when we built a framework that enables these devices, so that it's called ESF2, it's recently been launched. And this framework basically is being open sourced through the Eclipse Foundation called Cura project. We believe in open source, open standards, and allows in a Java obfuscated format to build applications for each of these verticals and deploy it across all these different hardware platforms. So in analogous to a smartphone, you can build a service, deploy it, and to not only deploy it to a ruggedized device for rail, but you can deploy it to a smart grid application that uses very little interface, very little technology. So we try to make that device smart and very easy to use and easy to program. And then to match that, to make it easily integratable to the enterprise, is we have a cloud platform called Everywhere Cloud. Just recently from Gartner, we got a cool vendor award based on the technology. But in essence, it's another open standard platform that allows these gateways to connect and provide that data to enterprise applications, be it analytics, be it accounting, CRM, what have you. So we kind of demark ourselves at a gateway to the integration platform, but I think the most important part is our software that we add to this to make it easy for the end customer.
And you're coming at this from a really great area of expertise, right? So the SCADA market has every known complexity known to mankind.
We have done over 200 protocols in the past. We did gateways for oil and gas pipelines, for utilities, and Modbus is a common one, but it's amazing what you run to in 20 years of doing SCADA and telemetry.
And the nice thing is the smart grid is actually helping enable your business.
Well, I think even
or you're helping enable the smart grid.
We're in medical, we're in a lot of these different verticals, and what's happening is there's a real push to get more optimized, to run, actually get more data and make use of more data. And with the new, I did a presentation on big data and analytics, and with the new Hadoop and different processes and big data, allowing analytics to make things much more efficient, run closer to the edge, save money. All those things are happening. There's a big push even now on companies to get involved in M2M, and it's just all, how do you make that easy? And from the standpoint of what we've seen, is really enabling them with tools and software to make it easy for them.
And you and I both know that the two killer apps for all of this stuff is going to be ease of use and security.
Yes, security is very important.
And at the end of the day, that's how it gets deployed.
And cost.
And cost
so
is,
cost is always
that's
there.
A given. Right?
But ease of use is critical. I mean, our software framework that we're opening up, most 75% or 70% of all the software developers use Eclipse. So you basically can download the environment on Eclipse, write your application without even having to have the hardware, and deploy it to any one of our products. So in essence, you can give this to system integrators, to anybody. They don't have to have extreme knowledge of the product to start building applications and deploy it into the industry.
So there you have it. I'm going to tell you, as somebody who's been here for a couple of days, there is nothing hotter than M2M right now. And whether you want to call it the Internet of Things or come up with some other new name, the reality is the devices are going to populate the world, and we need ease of use in platforms like Eurotech to help make things work the way they're supposed to. So
Absolutely.
Thanks for dropping by.
Thank you very much.
Have a great show.
Thanks.
Video coverage of ITEXPO is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.